Do you know the common warning signs of ADHD? ADHD, or Attention Deficit/Hyperactivity Disorder, is a neurodevelopmental condition often unnoticed due to its subtle and sometimes invisible signs. It's like a silent battle fought daily, making understanding and empathy crucial. Recognizing these signs can help those affected manage better and thrive. It's not about labeling, but about understanding, supporting, and empowering. So, let's delve into this unseen struggle, lifting the veil on ADHD. Let's explore the 10 most common warning signs of ADHD. Starting with number 10, we have impulsivity. This is a tendency to act without thinking, often characterized by making hasty decisions or taking actions that might lead to undesired consequences. It's like when you're in a supermarket and you can't resist grabbing that candy bar at the checkout, even though you're on a diet. Next, at number 9 is hyperactivity. This isn't just about being energetic, it's a constant state of activity and restlessness. Imagine feeling like you've chugged 5 cups of coffee, but you're just trying to get through a regular Tuesday morning. Coming in at number 8 is disorganization. A person might struggle with keeping track of tasks or managing their time efficiently. It's like having a desk filled with papers and not knowing where to start. Lastly, at number 7, we have emotional outbursts. This can manifest as sudden, intense emotions that seem out of proportion to the situation. Imagine feeling a wave of frustration over something as trivial as a misplaced pen. These are just the first 4 signs, but there are 6 more to go. Moving on to number 6, we delve into forgetfulness. This isn't just about misplacing your keys or forgetting an appointment. We're talking about chronic forgetfulness that can make it difficult to stay organized and maintain routine. It's the kind of forgetfulness that disrupts daily life and can cause significant stress. At number 5, we have difficulty focusing. This sign is often misunderstood. It's not about a lack of intelligence or laziness. It's about the brain getting overwhelmed by distractions, making it hard to stay on task. This can make it challenging to complete projects or follow complex instructions. Lastly, at number 4, we introduce poor time management. This isn't about being a few minutes late. It's about consistently underestimating how long tasks will take, which can lead to missed deadlines and last-minute scrambling. This can strain relationships and cause a lot of unnecessary stress. And we're still not done. The last 3 signs might surprise you. Now, let's reveal the top 3 warning signs of ADHD. At number 3, we have difficulty following instructions. This is not about defiance or lack of comprehension. Rather, people with ADHD often struggle to follow through with instructions due to their difficulty in maintaining focus. Moving on to the second most common warning sign, trouble completing tasks. This sign is closely linked with the previous one. Even when they understand the tasks, people with ADHD may start projects with great enthusiasm, only to lose interest before completion. This can occur across different areas of life, from school assignments to household chores. Finally, the most common warning sign of ADHD, frequent daydreaming. This might not seem like a serious issue, but constant daydreaming can interfere with daily activities, leading to underperformance in school or work. And there you have it, the top 10 warning signs of ADHD. So to recap, the 10 most common warning signs of ADHD are constant fidgeting, difficulty in focusing, impulsive behavior, frequent forgetfulness, trouble with organization, excessive talking, hyperactivity, inability to wait their turn, emotional instability, and a tendency for daydreaming. Remember, recognizing these signs is the first step to understanding and helping those with ADHD. Now you are one step closer to being an ally in their journey. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more insightful videos.